So it is your opinion that the corporation that you ticketed is within the state of New Hampshire, yes or no?
Your Honor, objection. She can't give an opinion on a legal matter.
Well, he didn't even pass the bar. How can he give any opinions on the legal matter?
Objection sustained.
I don't even know how he can be my prosecutor or be up here.
Do you have any questions of the witness?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So you said you write tickets for the city of Keene. How many tickets per hour do you usually write?
Maybe the average amount of tickets is like 30 a day.
How much are you being paid for this appearance?
I get my normal hourly rate,
So what is that?
which is $25 an hour.
$25 an hour. Are you a cop or a deputized?
Oh,
Who is the complaining party in this incident?
City of Keene.
Objection, non-responsive, that's not a human being.
Overruled.
So is there a victim? And if so, who is it?
Your Honor, I object. This is a government.
There has to be a victim for there to be there has to be cause, and there has to be injury. I'm not really referring to that. Well, I'm not referring to that. I'm referring to this matter.
Can I finish, please?
Yeah.
This goes to her motion to dismiss, I think, so I'll let her ask a couple of questions related to that. So the objection is overruled for now. Go ahead, Ms. Freeman. Would you like to repeat the question, please?
Is there a victim in this matter, and if so, who is it?
I have no idea. I don't understand what you're asking.
Is there a victim in the matter that we're here for today?
I don't believe so.
You don't believe that there's
I-
even a victim, but you believe, okay.
Your Honor, I object. She's not an attorney. She's not a paralegal.
Okay,
But
and
I don't disagree.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
factually, what is the city of Keene?
Enforcement officer, that she has the capacity to answer that legal question.
I agree the objection, that objection is sustained.
And do you have any evidence besides your claim that the meter was actually expired today? Well, that's not an evidence, she's just claiming it again.
Answering your question, anything she answers is technically evidence. So-
Did you hear my question? Because my question was,
Yeah.
do you have any evidence besides your claim that the meter was actually expired?
Other evidence? I don't understand.
Was there a picture? Did you take a picture of the meter blinking, or are you just claiming that it was blinking?
I claim that it's blinking, and
Yes, I
it,
know. But do you have any evidence other than that?
no.
Okay, no. Okay. Do you have any evidence that I was operating the car?
Doesn't matter who's operating the car. I got evidence the car was parked there. I don't understand what you're asking.
Do you have any evidence that I was operating the car?
No.
No. Do you work for a corporation?
I work for the City of Keene.
Move on, please, the objection is overruled.
Okay, is the city of Keene a corporation?
I don't believe so.
All right, I move to strike her testimony because she's incompetent to testify because she doesn't even know that.
Overruled, you've asked her a question, she can't answer, that's not necessarily uncommon.
She's
So that's overruled,
incompetent
please continue.
Does the corporation you work for, which is the city of Keene, own the parking space in question?
I believe they do.
Well, how did they come to own it?
I have no idea.
I've reviewed your motion, and I'm not sure I understand how the question is relevant even to your motion.
Okay. So it is your opinion that the corporation that you ticketed is within the state of New Hampshire, yes or no?
Your Honor, objection. She can't give an opinion on a legal matter.
He didn't even pass the bar. How can he give any opinions on the legal matter?
Objection sustained.
I don't even know how he can be my prosecutor or be up here. All right, I'm done asking questions for her, and I'd like to call the state as a witness. I mean, the city of Keene as a witness.
This isn't your time to call legally as a witness.
Okay, well, I'll do that when I can. I rest my question. And it seems to me, can I answer? I
No.
can't answer that ever?
Hang on. The problem I have is this. The testimony that I heard was that the vehicle was registered to a church. And there was nothing to indicate that Ms. Freeman was operating the vehicle or parked the vehicle. And the evidence was also that when she came in to contest the vehicle, it wasn't just her, it was her and Mr. Freeman that came in and contested the ticket. And while it may not make sense for someone who wasn't the person who parked the car to come in and contest the ticket, but I also don't have the ordinance here that tells me who the properly chargeable person would be for the parking ticket. So I can't say that the state has met its burden in this case. So the motion to dismiss is granted.
Thank you.